In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a photo to Ghibli style for free. This is an exciting and creative process that lets you transform your favorite photos into a magical anime-inspired look. So let's dive right in. First, we need to visit a free AI image generator. You have a few options to choose from. You can go to bing.com/images/create or head over to leonardo.ai where you can use free credits. Alternatively, playgroundai.com is another great choice. These platforms are designed to help you easily create stunning images with just a few clicks. Once you have selected a platform and navigated to their site, the next step is to upload your photo. This step is applicable if the platform supports image-to-image conversion. Uploading your photo is particularly important because it serves as the base for your transformation. You'll want to choose a photo that you feel would look great in a Studio Ghibli style. Now, if the platform you are using does not support uploading photos, don't worry. You can still proceed by describing your photo in the prompt. This description should capture the essence of your image, including key details like the subject, setting, and mood. Doing this allows the AI to accurately recreate the scene in the desired style. Once your photo is uploaded or described, it's time to use a creative prompt. Try something like this: Studio Ghibli style, soft hand-drawn anime look, warm lighting, detailed background, cinematic, gentle colors. This step is crucial because it guides the AI in generating a result that matches your vision. The description helps bring out the signature elements of the Ghibli style, such as the soft, hand-drawn aesthetic and warm, inviting colors. If you're using image-to-image conversion, there's another important setting to adjust. You'll need to set the image strength to medium, which is typically around 40 to 70%. This setting controls how much of the original photo is retained versus how much is transformed into the new style. Medium strength strikes a good balance, allowing the original essence of your photo to shine through while embracing the Ghibli transformation. This balance is key in achieving a harmonious and appealing final result. Next up, it's time to click the Generate button. This is where the magic happens. The AI will process your input and generate a new image that reflects the Studio Ghibli style. You'll see your photo transform into a whimsical, anime-inspired scene, filled with the gentle colors and detailed backgrounds characteristic of Ghibli films. At this point, you should have your newly transformed image ready to enjoy. It's always thrilling to see how technology can capture the charm of such a beloved animation style. These steps not only allow you to create beautiful images, but also offer a fun way to experiment with AI technology. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you play around with different prompts and settings, the better you'll understand how to achieve the results you want. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you enjoy creating your own Ghibli-style masterpieces.